Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Zarnix here, and today we are adding one piece of gear to my setup here, and especially to this guy right here, the monitor. And that's right, I got myself a single monitor arm. Why did I say monitor twice? I don't know. But let's get down to it. Let's start with what comes inside the box. Yes! One more time. Oh, I gotta say, this box is quite heavy. All of it is quite heavy. Here comes the real deal. Alright, in this box, we got the arm itself. We got the stand. We got the base mount. Or the visa, the VESA. Whatever, however you pronounce it, mount. We got the C-clamp, of course. Some more small tools. Oh, we also got a grommet kind of clamp. And a bigger thing for the clamp? Or is this for the grommet clamp? I actually don't know. A bigger thing for the C-clamp. And of course, the manual. I don't know where to start. Nah, it's easy. It's easy, don't worry. It's easy. So first you gotta install clamp brace to the pole. What? This is our clamp brace. Is it though? Alright, install clamp brace to the pole. This is our pole. Oh, it's got some holes in here. Now using the screws that they gave us, we're gonna attach the pole to the clamp brace. Something like that, I guess. I need something to screw the screws. That's what this is for, an Allen key. Oh, it sticks right in. Now I'm just screwing it in one by one. That's one, that's two, that's three. Done. Attach soft pad to the clamp brace. Okay, I guess this is the soft pad and we gotta stick it on here. I guess we don't need the hole in the middle. Oh, it is sticky. I'm just trying to do this perfectly. Perfect enough. Perfect enough. Good job, ain't it? Now we gotta attach this thing, the clamp, to the clamp brace. Guess it goes on something like this. Of course, we gotta use another different Allen key. Alright, we're all set. It's all connected now. The clamp to the clamp brace. What's next? Tighten the clamp to the desk. Oh, we're already installing this to the desk. Perfect. Let's get to it. So I bought this monitor arm to sort of give more space on the desk, because you see how that stand is taking a lot of space there. So yeah, having a monitor arm can really decrease the amount of footprint that you have. So I guess for this monitor arm, I think I'm gonna put it right there, because I think that is a bit too close to the PC, and I'll probably put a speaker over there as well as over there. So I guess around here, a third of the table from the left would be a good fit. So let's jump right in. Okay, but I do have one problem here. That is, my table here has sort of this metal frame, if you see from down here. So I can't actually clamp on the wood itself. So, and there's not much space on the outer lip of the desk. So I sort of have to, I'm gonna try to clamp it on that white metal frame. And I don't know, I have my fingers crossed here, so I hope it works. I hope it sticks to that. It is thick enough to clamp on that white frame, but we'll see. Clear up the desk a bit for a while. Alright, so I have the clamp here, so I'm gonna try to clamp it about right here. It's not gonna go right in because we have that metal frame going on, so it has to be sort of a bit here so that it fits perfectly on that white metal frame. So I'm gonna try clamp it right now, see if it holds. Alright, it's clamped in, and I'm gonna just give a little shake. See if it doesn't budge, which is good. I think this is working. It looks a bit sketchy, but I think it's gonna work. I hope my monitor doesn't fall off anytime. Alright, what's next? Alright, I'm gonna put my monitor down for a bit. Ooh. Stay there. Install swivel arm to the pole. Alright. fasten the bolt with supplied Allen. Is there a correct orientation for this? I don't know. Does it matter? Wow, this thing is tight. Is it upside down? It's not upside down. Why is it too tight? We gotta have some wire clips. How do you attach these? Just like that, huh? Oh, nice. Attaching some wire clips to the swivel arm. Oh, that's tight. Then we tighten this thing up. Alright, now is the time that I realize that it's not that easy to adjust the height of the monitor, because every time you want to do that you have to loosen this screw right here with an Allen. So that's inconvenient. Well, it is a cheap monitor arm anyway. Alright, so I have attached the VESA mount, to the monitor, as you can see right here, that black thing. It's easier than I thought. But the thing is, you see how my monitor has that gray thing just spurting out from the monitor? Yeah, I don't know if I can remove that. I don't think so. So, what am I supposed to do? Slide it? Oh my god, this is heavy. Wait, I did it upside down. The mount is upside down. Yep, the mount is upside down. Let me go fix that. Alright, again, I have installed the VESA mount to the monitor correctly this time. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so hard to show it to you guys. Doesn't matter. Alright, so we just slide it down. Just like that. Slide that bad boy down. Oh my god, this is how do you make it? This is terrible. I actually have to hold the monitor right here with my one arm and then read the manual with the other. Install the security nut. No, it's the other Allen key. Where's the other Allen? There you are. Righty tighty. Is my monitor too heavy for this? Not working. Okay, it is working. Oh, thank God. I believe it's this one. Oh, we gotta use the wrench. That wrench is too big. Alright, I guess it's pretty secure. Oh, sweet. How's that? I feel like I want to make this higher. Secure the monitor with a security nut. Now I just want to make this go higher. Okay, a little bit down below. Okay. Tighten that up. Alright, there we go. Oh, it's done. Just look at that. It's swiveling. It's rotating. Sweet. Alright, we're not done yet. Whoa, that's what it's for. So I got this wire clip right here. You can put these things in. What? Why didn't you tell me? That's handy. It's like Batman's belt. Step 6. Oh, we've reached the end of the manual. I guess we're done. Wait, I got something to do. I want to loosen these up. Oh, nothing broke. Nothing broke. Cause damn, these screws are tight. Oh, they are too tight for me. I can't. You know what? Let's just leave it at that. So, how good does this thing swivel? Pretty bad. All right, that looks much more cleaner now as compared to using the original stock stand that it came with. I like that it has a single like vertical column kind of profile. But one thing about models like this though is that you can't adjust the height freely. I mean, easily as you would with sort of like an arm kind of monitor stand. I mean, like, you know, the ones where it's an arm from the clamp to the monitor instead of column and then the arm, if you know what I'm talking about. But as for this stand though, the hinges are kind of rough to me, I guess. I don't know if it's because I can't actually loosen the hinges myself. I'm pretty sure you can loosen them and it's gonna be a lot easier to sort of move around the monitor. But yeah, as for now, it's pretty tight for me. But yeah, there you have it. You can't adjust the height freely. All you can do is just bring it forward and backwards and side to side. But you can tilt it almost 90 degrees. Oh my God. You can also rotate it vertically. Whoa. Can it go 360 degrees? Damn. Now that's cool. I mean, the only thing that I don't have here is the ease to adjust the height. I mean, I think that's it. I think that's all you need. If convenience to change the height is something for you, then probably this stand is not for you. But I think it kind of fits for me. I mean, I don't vision myself to adjust the monitor a lot from time to time. I'll probably just find a good spot and then just stick it right there where it should be. But then again, my main reason for getting this stand or monitor arm is to clear up a lot of my desk. And if that's your main purpose too, if that's your only purpose of getting a monitor stand, then I think you should just go with a cheap one like this. I think this costs like 40 bucks or something. I'll put the link down in the description below if you guys are planning to get one like this, exactly like this. So that's it. That's the VIVO Stand V-001 monitor arm reviewed. Now this room is a complete mess. I gotta clean this up soon. Well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.